at the little pond and patio job. Yesterday we did some transplanting and got everything kind of prepped on site. Today we're picking out rocks and getting ready for doing the pond and the waterfall, which is kind of exciting because it's the fun part of the job. Stand by. So basically our first goal is to have the perimeter rocks and then to pick out the perfect waterfall rocks. And we always take an assortment so that we have lots to choose from, because it is a bit of an art. It's not just about you know, putting a rock there, and it has to have the water flow over it properly. So the choice of the rock is really important. So we always end up having multiple to there and kind of choosing and picking and pulling the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle together to make it the absolute perfect flow and to fit the setting.
Oh, I think it's great. It was amazing because to me it made such a huge difference already, because it's your perspective and how you see things, and then just walking from the garden itself and looking back at the house, that looked very different too. And I've also looked at all the different through the different windows, because that was partly the reason I wanted to do some of this, is looking out the window, what I see, having something that I really like, and already I can see a huge difference. It's nice.
We figure we've got about an hour of Brian just literally bringing gravel up, maybe even an hour and a half. And once that's up, then we'll plate tamp it all, or then we'll whack it all, make sure it's down, then we'll put our final layer on. So that'll take about an hour and a half, and probably about 2 hours for digging the pond, 2 hours for doing the rocks. We should all pretty much be done at the same time. Right there, all of it.
Okay, we'll do another shelf here. That. We'll do that. Okay, and we'll dig this down. See what happens. Transpires with that. Here we go. I'm liking it. Trying to make sure we keep nice 90-degree edges. If we can do that, then the liner fits a lot nicer.
Your beautiful dreams to life.